So the concept that earlier semiconductor electronics part, the first part of the chapter completed. In last class we have started digital electronics. In that we have discussed what is a digital electronics and what are digital electronic devices, and also what are analog signals, what are digital signals, what are analog circuits, what are digital circuits, examples for analog devices, example for digital devices, and also what is Boolean algebra and how it uses a binary system, and how to convert one number from binary system to decimal system. One or two examples given, and how to convert a number from decimal system to binary system. Also two examples given. What is a logic gate? Definition given. What is a truth table? Also last we have given the definition. Now we'll go for some of the logic gates or types of the logic gates. Generally, in a digital circuits, the digital circuit, whatever digital circuit you are using, it will perform logical operations. So any digital circuit which performs logical operation is called a logic gate. So in a digital circuit, logic gates are very important. So we have two type of logic gates. So one is basic logic gates and one is universal logic gates. Basic or fundamental or elementary. So they are only the building blocks of the digital circuits. So first we'll discuss about the basic logic gates, and then we'll go for a universal logic gates. So what is a logic gate and what are the basic logic gates? So in the previous class already I have given definition of the logic gate also. A digital circuit which performs logical operation is called a logic gate. So we have first one, we can say basic logic gates. Basic gates or basic logic gates. So basic means they are independent of any other logic gates. They do not depend upon any other logic gates. They are only the building blocks or primary basic gates, or they are the fundamental basic gates which are independent of any other logic gates. So these basic logic gates, we have three types, or three main basic gates are there. So one is OR gate or AND gate. So AND gate. Second one OR gate or logic gate. And the third one NOT gate, not logic gate. Not. So generally these three are called basic logic gates. Basic or fundamental logic gates. So they are independent of any other logic gates. But by using these three logic gates, all the gates can be constructed. Whatever the logic gate given, if you want to design or if you want to construct, so we can use these three basic logic gates. So in the first year we have units and measurements chapter is there, first chapter. We have fundamental quantities and derived quantities is there. Fundamental or basic quantities means what? The physical quantities which are independent of any other quantities are called fundamental or basic. Like length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, luminous intensity, amount of matter, they are called fundamental quantities. So remaining all are derived quantities. So same way, yeah, the logic gates which are independent of any other logic gates are called basic logic gates. They are the building blocks of a digital circuit. But every logic gate is having a particular logical operation. Generally, AND gate can perform logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. Whereas OR gate can perform logical addition. So here addition means you should use the symbol plus. Here logical multiplication we can use dot or into. So dot we can use. NOT gate means nothing but logical complementation or logical inversion. So NOT gate always performs logical inversion or logical complementation. We can use the symbol as bar. So generally bar. Or for example, if you want to get output, you are using a equals symbol, like plus, no, there will be no minus in this case. The minus only we are saying as a bar. So plus logical addition into or dot logical multiplication bar logical inversion equals to the symbol we can generally use for equating the both sides, the values. So we'll discuss for each and every logic gate there is a symbol, there is a Boolean expression, means a formula, and also truth table. So in a final exam they will ask 2 marks, very important question. Write the circuit symbol, write the symbol of AND gate, write the truth table of AND gate, or write the Boolean expression of AND gate. Same way, write the truth table of OR gate, write the symbol of OR gate, write the Boolean expression of OR gate. This type of questions will be asked only for 1 mark or 2 marks important. Now first we will discuss about AND gate. AND logic gate will use AND gate. Generally, AND gate performs what type of logical operation? Logical multiplication. AND gate performs logical multiplication. So it performs logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. Generally we have to use multiplication means dot, correct. It has generally AND gate has 2 inputs, 1 output. It has 2 inputs. It has 2 inputs and 1 output. It has 2 inputs and generally 1 output. I'll use the symbol of this one. What is the symbol of AND gate? I'll write the symbol like this, similar to the diode like, but not diode, but diode like symbol I am drawing like this. Should draw like this. It is symbol of AND gate. So it has how many inputs we are saying? 2 inputs. So here whatever the inputs are there, I'll mention here. These 2 lines indicates 2 inputs. So one is A, other we can say B, your choice, X, Y, like that, any P, Q, like that. Here A, B both are 2 inputs. But here I'll write output, Y or C, your choice, any letter I may write, no problem. So this Y is called output. These 2 are inputs. So AND gate has 2 inputs and 1 output. It is symbol of AND gate. In exam, if they asked write the symbol of AND gate, simply we should draw like this. That's enough. That's only AND gate. But what is a formula or expression? That is called a Boolean expression. Boolean expression means I'll write Y equals to means you should write like this, equals to Y equals to A, Y equals to A and B. Here AND means don't write AND, we should write only dot, that is multiplication. But how to read Y equals to A and B? Y equals to, while reading, how to read means Y equals to A and B. I'll write here Y equals to A and B. So what does it mean? Y equals to A and B means what? So you have to remember carefully. The output of AND gate, is high. Yesterday I have given 2 switches we connected and one bulb connected, correct? So output high means what? Bulb is glowing. Output is low means bulb is off condition, correct? The output of AND gate is high. Output of AND gate is high when A and B are high. Whenever A and B both are high, whenever A and B both are high, then only output is high. If for example A is low, B is low, then output also low. A is low, B is high, but output is low. A is low, B is high, but output is low. When we will get generally output is high? Only one situation, one condition, when both A and B are high. That's why we are using the word and. So note down this one. The output of AND gate is high when both A and B are high. For example, any person asked, what is AND gate? What is AND gate? What do you have to say? This one only. An AND gate is a logical circuit. An AND gate is a logical circuit or a digital circuit whose output is high. Only when A and B are high. Correct. That is the meaning. Now it is called Boolean expression, or here also we can express this one, y equals to A and B, like this. Now how to write a truth table? Truth table you should write here. I'll write a truth table of AND gate. Truth table. Truth table of AND gate. So you should draw a simple tabular column like this. So only should take 4 possible values. What are the 4 possible values? Means first one, input A. So already I mentioned 2 inputs. First one A. Next second input B. First input is A, second input is B. Next, these 2 are inputs. But next what you should write? Output. Output is we are using a symbol Y. Y equals to A and B, or A dot B should write like this. Y equals to A and B, or A dot B should write. Now, what are the possible values? Means first you should take, or to explain this one, I'll use a simple circuit like this. I'll use a simple circuit diagram like 2 switches I'll take, but in exam no need to write this one. We can draw like this. One simple circuit diagram with an electric bulb for taking as output this one. So this can be taken as Y. Here may use one cell or battery also, like plus, minus, it is a battery. It is a switch A, this will be switch B, take like this. So to complete this A and B truth table, first what you should take? Switch A is opened, switch B also opened. Whenever both the switches are opened, what does it mean? Opened means no current allowed by the switch A, so 0. So I'll take A is equal to off, 0. B also opened means also off condition, 0. Whenever both the switches are opened, what will be happened? Current will come up to here. Because of the breakage of the switches circuit, no current is supplied to the bulb. Bulb is in off condition. So off means you should take 0. In a binary system, already I mentioned, only there are 2 possibilities, 2 discrete values, either high or low. Middle nothing is there. High means bulb is glowing. Low means bulb is off condition. Correct or not glowing? Like yes or no, true or false, open, close, high, low, right, wrong. So or 0 and 1. So this type of all 2 discrete values indicates a binary system only, nothing but. So here also, whenever both the switches are open, the bulb is off condition. Both the switches are open means 0, 0, and bulb also off. Next case. For example, A is opened but B is closed. Check here. So B will be closed like this, correct? But A is opened. A opened means A equal to 0, but B closed means B equal to nothing but 1. But what about bulb condition? So current will come up to here, but because of the breakage of the first switch or opened switch, no current supply to bulb. So again, bulb is in off condition, 0 you should write. Next, B is opened, whereas A is closed like this. A closed means A equal to 1. B opened means equal to 0. But your current will be allowed by the switch A, but the current is not allowed by the switch B because it is opened. That's why again bulb is in off condition. Bulb is set up again off condition, should write like this. Fourth case, what is the possibility? Both the switches are closed like this. So whenever first switch A is closed 1, B is closed 1. So A allowed the current, B also allow the current. Then current will be supplied to the bulb like this. Then what will be happen? Bulb is set to be on condition. Correct? Bulb will be glowing means 1 you should write. Correct? So that is a truth table. But the exam no need to write this one. Only you should draw this is a truth table. So here, if you observe the truth table carefully, what you can understand? Only one situation bulb is on condition. When the bulb is on means high. When the bulb is high or when the output is high, when both A and B are high. So the logical circuit or the digital circuit whose output is high, a logical circuit whose output is high, only when both A and B are high is called logical or AND gate. And logic gate, that is only you should write. It is about AND gate. So 2 marks concept only. So sometimes with the diodes also we can explain. With the diodes means how to explain means we should take one diode, you should take like this. Here one more diode also we can choose. These are the 2 diodes, D1 and also no need to write, don't write D2. So you should connect here this one, and this will be connected to one load resistance like this, RL. And here A, this will be B. And here, so here, this will be connected to one battery. So connected to the ground. Always ground connection indicates 0. So this will be 5 volt battery, and this indicates 1 higher value. No need to copy this one. So here for example, whenever A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. A and B both are 0 means both are connected to the ground. So automatically both the diodes act like a reverse bias. Both are reverse bias means doesn't allow any current. Whenever both are not allowing any current, so that will be output will be low, should take 0. Same way, A is 0, B is 1. So A act like a reverse bias, B act like forward bias, correct? But the total value will be 0 only. Next also reverse. Whenever both are nothing but having a 1 1, then automatically both will act like a forward biases and allow the current, and also output will be present. So you can take it as equal to 1 you should write. Like this also you can explain. If both the diodes you can turn left side, then exactly reverse to this one. Reverse means 0 triple 1 you should write, correct? Like opposite directions. Next one. Next logic gate, OR gate. So this one AND gate completed. Next about OR gate, OR logic gate. OR gate, second one. OR gate. But what is the function of OR gate? Means logical addition. It will perform logical addition So generally addition means you are using a symbol as plus. So generally it is having it performs OR gate performs logical addition, whereas the AND gate performs logical multiplication, but it performs logical addition. So generally here also write the symbol of OR gate, symbol of OR gate. Here logical addition means you are using a plus. Generally we will use plus. So symbol you should write like this. Draw the symbol like this, in this way. Check. Comparing to AND gate, quite different, little bit. Don't write any straight line. We should draw the diagram like this. But it is also having two inputs, one output. So it is a left side input A, one more input B. These are the two inputs, but only one output should write Y. Generally Y equals to should write A or B. So I am using a plus. Plus means while reading how to read Y equals to A or B should read. So here I will write a Boolean expression formula, that is only. Boolean expression, Boolean expression Y equals to A or B. While reading how to read means Y equals to A or B. We should read like this. Instead of Y equal to A plus B, how to read Y equals to A or B? What does it mean? The output of OR gate is high. The output of OR gate is high when either A or B is high. So no need of both inputs are high. At least any one input is high, then automatically output is high. So the logical circuit whose output is high, a logical circuit whose output is high when or either A or B is high. Should write that one. The output of OR gate is high. The output of OR gate is high output of OR gate is high either A or B. Either A or B, either A or B, or both. Either A or B or both inputs are high, or both inputs are high. So it indicates no need of both inputs are high. At least any one input is high or both inputs are high, then output is high. Generally it is having how many inputs and how many outputs means it has two inputs. It has two inputs. OR gate is having two inputs and one output. Two inputs and also one output you should write. So that is about OR gate. Generally, a logical circuit which performs a logical addition is known as OR gate. So it is symbol of OR gate. Boolean expression Y equals to A or B. That means the output of the OR gate is high when either A, B or both inputs are high. Either A is high, B is high, or both inputs are high, then output is always high. It has two inputs and also only one output. That's about OR gate. Now we will write truth table for OR gate. Truth table. So generally these two possibilities are same only, inputs. What is a truth table? A table which contains all the possible inputs and the corresponding outputs. A table which contains all the possible inputs and the corresponding outputs is called a truth table. So first, A is low, B is low. A is low, B is high. A is high, B is low. Both are high. Then what is output value? I'll write here also simple circuit. I'll take here two switches same way, but observe how the two switches are connected. How both the switches are connected, you have to observe carefully. So switch first one A, it is switch A, it is switch B. Now both will be connected like this. It is the output Y, should write. In the previous case, how the diagram has given, both the switches are connected end to end, series combination. But now it is called parallel combination. Both the switches are connected parallel. A and B both are connected parallel, and both are being connected to a battery or cell and one electric bulb. So we have to check whether the bulb is glowing or not, we have to check. So the bulb only represents the output. So first, for example, switch A is opened, B also opened, means A equal to 0, B equal to 0. So current will start here and current will come up to here, but both the switches are opened, means no current is allowed by the both the switches. So current is not supplied to bulb. So bulb is in off condition. So first one 0. Whenever both the inputs are low, output is also low. Now A is opened, but the switch B is closed. Check here. So switch B is closed means what will be happen? So B will allow the current, and the current is passing along this direction, and the current will be supplied to the bulb, and the bulb is in on condition. So we should write 1. Second case. Now third case, B is opened, the switch B opened but A is closed. Whenever A closed means, check here, A is equal to 1 but B equal to 0, but through A current will be flowing along this path, and so bulb is set up again on condition. So you should write 1. Now both the switches are closed. Whenever both the switches are closed, check here, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then current will be supplied to the bulb, again bulb is said to be on condition. So only one case the bulb is off, which case whenever both the inputs are low, the output is low. At least one output input is high, either A is high, B is high, or both the inputs are high, then output is said to be high. That is only the function of OR gate. So exactly two, nothing but what you should take, two diodes. We can connect two diodes like this, and both the diodes may connect like this, and we can also explain the previous case whatever we have written in the same way we have to explain like this. So it is equal to input A, it is input B and connected to the ground, and then we have to write A is equal to 0, B equal to 0, and both will act like both will not allow the currents. So output is equal to, remaining all the cases the having output is high, should take it. That is about OR gate, AND gate, OR gate. So these two will perform one logical multiplication, one logical addition. Now third logic gate, NOT gate. Third one is a NOT gate. So generally NOT gate will perform logical inversion or logical complementation. NOT gate. NOT. NOT gate. It performs logical inversion or logical complementation. A digital circuit or logic gate or logical circuit which performs logical inversion or logical complementation. Logical inversion or logical complementation is called logic NOT gate. But generally here logical inversion how to show means a bar, like similar to minus we have to show a bar. For example, A given, you should put on a bar like this while reading A bar, B given B bar, Y given Y bar, like that you should read logical inversion or logical complementation. Generally if write like this A complement, you may read either A bar or A complement, B complement, C complement, Y complement. You should read like this, exactly opposite to A. That is now, but it has only one input and one output. It has one input and one output. Only one input and also one output. Whereas AND gate and OR gate, two inputs, one output, but it has only one input and one output. I'll write symbol of the AND gate. Symbol of AND gate, you should draw like similar to the triangle. But here last time I put one circle, a small circle we have to place like this. One input, that is A. Only one output we should draw like this, that is a Y output. This whatever circle given or bubble given, that indicates inversion or complementation. That is only logical inversion or logical complementation. While reading how to read Y equals to not A. Y equals to not A. Not A means what? A complement, correct? A bar should write. Boolean expression, how to write the formula or a Boolean expression. Boolean expression Y equals to not A or Y equals to A complement. While reading Y equals to not A. Y equals to not A or Y equals to A complement. While reading you should read like that. So we'll write the truth table of NOT gate. Truth table of NOT gate, but simple table. Very simple truth table only, a bigger one not necessary. Right, first one, only one input means A, only one input, whereas only one output, Y equals to not A or A complement. I'll take simple circuit also here. You will take one cell or battery will be taken like this. One battery will be connected here. You may connect here one switch. Next I'll connect the bulb. Why? It is switch A, should take like this. If you connect here first, for example, whenever switch is opened means check A is equal to 0, correct? So switch opened means what? Any switch open means it is nothing but off condition. That indicates high resistance will be there. That means here in case of the switch there will be infinite resistance. If a resistance equal infinite, what is the current flowing through switch? 0. If you take Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V equal IR or I is equal to V by R you should write. For example, whenever switch is opened means here V by resistance of the switch is equal to infinite. Open switch always having, open circuit always having infinite opposing force. So infinite resistance. Something by infinity is equal to what? 0. So no current flowing through the switch. That's why full current is supplied to the bulb only. That's why bulb is said to be in on condition. So you should take 1. Observe carefully. Both are reverse. When input is low, but output is a high. Whenever input is low, output is a high. Now, next case what I am doing means the switch is closed. Whenever switch is closed means what condition? No resistance. No resistance means you should take here resistance is equal to 0. Closed switch. Resistance equal to 0 means what is the current flowing? Infinite current flowing. Means almost all the current flowing through only switch. But no current supplied to the bulb. That's why whenever switch closed means 1, but a bulb is said to be in a off condition. Should take. Correct? That's only a simple circuit. Observe carefully. The output of NOT gate is high. The output of NOT gate is high when input is low. Output of NOT gate is high when input is low, and vice versa. Output of NOT gate is low when input is high. Exactly, both are reverse. You should write. We can note down that point also. The output of NOT gate. The output of NOT gate. Output of NOT gate is a high when the input is low. When the input is low, and vice versa. Vice versa means exactly opposite. Output of NOT gate is low when input is high. It is about NOT gate. So total, whenever any particular for example input given, if you want to make exactly inverse, or if you want to make its a complement, what you have to do? We have to use one NOT gate. We have to use one NOT gate. That's very important. So these three are called basic logic gates. Sometimes 1 mark question will be asked or 2 marks. Write the basic logic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So these three are called basic logic gates. 3 only called basic logic gates. Correct. I'll give one more logic gate. It is not a basic. It is not a basic logic gate. Exclusive OR gate. It is not called basic logic gate. Exclusive OR gate, or simply it is also called XOR gate, or it is also called simply XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate is also called as simply XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate or XOR gate means it is also having 2 inputs and 1 output. It has 2 inputs and only 1 output. Exclusive OR gate or XOR gate also having 2 inputs and 1 output. 2 inputs and 1 output. I'll give the symbol of XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. Similar to OR gate only, but extra one more line I am drawing like this. It has 2 inputs. One is A, other one B. Here one output y equals to A exclusive or B. So simply I am writing one circle to the plus. Right, first A plus, right, and put one circle like this B. A exclusive or B. Or one more, here I write Boolean expression. Boolean expression. So in case of the Boolean expression, I can use two formulae. One I'll write y equals to A exclusive or B, or we can write one more formula also. Y equals to A complement into B plus A into B complement. So we can use like this. Y equals to A complement into B plus A into B complement. Here it is a symbol for into or logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. And based on this we can draw the circuit also. How we can draw the circuit means whenever complement is there, which logic gate we have to use? Whenever inversion or bar or complement means not gate. Simple. Blindly remember, whenever complement is there, we have to use not gate. Whenever into is there, AND gate. Whenever plus is there, OR gate. So three gates only. Three gates. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Into multiplication means AND, plus or inversion you should use NOT gate. So first I'll take, here I'll write one simple circuit like this. It is a A. Here I'll use, it will be B. A and B I'll write here. Here it is a A. So this will be equal to B. So here what I am doing means this will be given to one NOT gate. So check here, whenever A is given to a NOT gate, what will be happen? It become A complement. So this will be equal to A complement. A complement. Here I want to take one AND gate, or here already we got complement. Complement we got means what we have to do? So here I'll use one NOT gate, AND gate. Use one AND gate like this. Here already B is given. B already given to this one. But still one more what is required? Nothing but A complement is required. So I'll connect this one to here. Check here, it is a B, but this will be connected here means A complement. So it is a B and this will be A complement. So finally what we got here? A into A complement into B. Observe carefully. Here A converted to A complement. So this will be again we are giving to AND gate as input. So here A complement, this will be B. It is equal to finally A complement into B. Next one more what is required? A into B complement required. So B complement. So we have to convert B into B complement. So B complement you should take. So here also if you want to write B complement also like this. Here B complement means what you should write here? One more NOT gate you should take here. So it becomes B complement will get. So but your choice, directly or may connect otherwise also. It's a B only, simply first. Next one A into B complement. A into B complement. You may take it directly, B will be taken here. Correct? B may be taken here. And this A will be connected here. Correct? Directly. So I'll take here B. So directly A will be connected to this one. This will be A, and here next B complement. So means here I'll take here one more NAND gate like AND gate like this. Here this B may connect like this. One NOT gate due to this one. So this will be A, this will be B complement, and we will get the value as A into B complement. Now both will be connected to one OR gate. Finally both are connected to one OR gate. So last Y equal to what you will get? A complement into B plus A into B complement. A complement into B plus A into B complement. It is a one method, but one logic circuit you can write in various ways or various forms. So the same circuit I'll draw like this also. So I'll draw like this also, same circuit diagram. It is a one NOT gate. Here also I am using one more NOT gate. Same circuit diagram. So this will be A. So this will be B. Correct? A and B. So this become A complement. So this become B complement. So here first A complement into B. So here I'll use one AND gate. Check here. It is a one AND gate. Here also I'll use one more AND gate. Same circuit in a different way, how we can write it. So A complement, this will be B complement. First formula, A complement into B. Here already A complement given means one more what is required input? B required. So directly from here you may take a B like this. You take a B here. So this will be B. So finally it become A complement into B. Same way in second case what is required? A into B complement. Already B complement is there. So take this one here. Connect like this. So this become A. So we'll get the output. So here it is equal to A complement into B. Here it is equal to A into B complement. And both will be connected to which will, both you should add. You should add means you have to connect it to one OR gate. OR gate. So whenever we connected OR gate, we'll get the output value Y equals to A into B complement plus A complement into B. We can write like this. So same, no need to write in a particular way. So different ways we can write the same circuit diagram also. If you feel it is easy, draw this one. Or if you feel the second circuit is easy, draw that circuit. Correct. Now truth table. Truth table. It has two inputs and one output. First one A, second B, Y equals to A complement into B plus A into B complement. A into B complement, right like this. That's all. Generally in the case of the exclusive OR gate, the output is high when both the inputs are different. The output is high when both the inputs are different. Whenever both the inputs are same, output is low. So possible values 0, 0, 1, 1, I write last. Whenever both the inputs are same, the output is always low. So you should take 0, it is also 0. But how we got this value means, here already I have given a formula. A complement into B plus A into B complement. We can check also. Whenever both the inputs are different, means 0, 1 or 1, 0. Whenever 0 and 1 both are different, output is high. Here also 1 and 0 both are different, output is high. Should write like this. That's only the truth table of exclusive OR gate. So if you want to check, we can use that formula also, Boolean expression also, and we can check whether it is correct or not also. I'll take the formula and I'll check here. First case, check here, A is equal to, first I'll take 0, B value also 0, then expression of Y is equal to A complement into B plus A into B complement, correct formula. I'll write first, A complement means 0 complement into 0 plus 0 into 0 complement. But always 0 complement means what? 1. Exactly 0 is a low signal, but a low signal opposite equal to what? High. So you should write 0 complement is equal to 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. But 1 into 0 means what in AND gate? Into means always AND gate. Whenever one input is low, then automatically the value also low. 1 into 0, should write 0. Plus 0 into 1, also 0. But in OR gate, whenever both the inputs are low, the output is also low. So 0 plus 0 also equal to 0. That is the first one. I'll check second one. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Again Y is equal to A complement into B plus A into B complement. That equal to 0 complement into 1 plus 0 into 1 complement. But 0 complement is equal to 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. 1 into 1 means whenever both the inputs are high, the output is also high in case of the AND gate. So 1 plus 0 into 0, 0. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So this will be second. Same way, remaining also we can check. We'll get the same process. Third and fourth also will get same. So for example, third, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 complement into 0 plus 1 into 0 complement. That equal to 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. That equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Fourth one, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. So Y is equal to 1 complement into 1 plus 1 into 1 complement. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. That equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So with that Boolean expression, generally we can check like this. So sometimes based on this only questions will be asked. In exclusive OR gate, when A is equal to 0, B equal to 0, what is the output? 4 options will be given. In exclusive OR gate, when A is equal to 0, B equal to 1, what is the output value? This type of questions, various questions may be asked, differently will be asked in NEET or JEE exam level generally. So thank you. So tomorrow class we will discuss universal gates. Like what are the universal gates? Their symbol, their truth table, and also how to design universal gate, how to design basic gates from universal gate.